been reading books of old, the legends and the myths. Achilles and his cold, Achilles and his gifts. Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fists. And clearly I don't see myself up on the list. She said, where do you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Oh, 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 oh. I want something just like this. Oh, 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 oh. I want something just like
金柳 Remix。金柳 Remix。